really pretty. This is what this one. Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2. We started Vlogmas yesterday and it was a success. Thank you to everybody who watched that video and for joining this little Vlogmas Christmas adventure. Today is Vlogmas Day 2 and I am currently going to go get a Christmas tree. We set up our fake white Christmas tree in our house already, but we're going to get a real one from the Christmas farm, the Christmas tree patch. I don't really know what you call it. I'm wearing my new sweatshirt that I got on Black Friday and it's so cute. I'm going to get some shoes and then we're gonna head out and I'm so excited. I love the smell of pine and all it's gonna smell like is pine trees, so that's gonna be so fun. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Hopefully you enjoy this Vlogmas Day 2. Let's go pick out a tree. We are at Lowe's because Home Depot didn't have any that were big. 10 to 12 feet is your tallest? Thank you. We went to 3 different places looking for Christmas trees and they didn't have any that we liked. They were all super skinny and not tall at all, and we have 20-foot like ceilings. They're 20 feet tall and we want a fat big old tree, so we didn't end up getting one. We're going to go later to a custom like Christmas tree farm where they only do Christmas trees, so it's not like Walmart or Home Depot or Lowe's where we went. But the Steelers game is coming on at 1 and it's 12:30 and my dad wanted to watch the Steelers game, so we're gonna do that later. But right now we're getting sandwiches at this place called Which. I'm so hungry though. I haven't eaten anything all day. Oh, there's people staring at me vlogging and it's very awkward. I know they can see me. Well, I'm home and I ate lunch, but I did get a few packages in the mail when I was gone on Thanksgiving break, so I thought we could do a little unboxing for you guys and that would be fun. So the first one is from Drip Creations and they told me that they were going to be sending me this, so I know what it is and I'm extremely excited. If you don't know what Drip Creations is, they make custom shoes off of Instagram and they're so cool. They've sent me like 5 or 6 pairs and I wear them all the time. You guys probably know by now. They just released a bunch of different merch with like the designs that they put on the shoes. They put them on sweatshirts and t-shirts and phone cases. They told me to pick one out and they'd send it to me and I did. This is a sweatshirt. It's an all white sweatshirt that says live a little and I got mine oversized, so I got it in a large. Normally I'm a medium, but we're gonna open it up. The sweatshirt that I'm wearing right now is actually Champion and it has gold lettering and gold Champion down the sides. I got this on Black Friday and is actually my first ever white sweatshirt. I had never had one before. When they asked me to pick out a sweatshirt, I was like, ooh, I'm gonna get a white sweatshirt because I don't have one. Now I have one and I have another one, but I have so many like hoodies and sweatshirts that it's fine. I'm gonna wear them all. This is what the sweatshirt looks like. It's white, it says live a little, and then all down the sleeves it has sunflowers, and these are printed on. They're not like embroidered. I love that. That is pretty much my brand. Like sunflowers, white, happy, live a little. We love. So I'm very excited. And then the next package that I got is from ColourPop. ColourPop sends me PR all the time. I literally never know what it is or what they're sending because I get it like a few times a month, which I'm obviously very grateful about, but I don't know what this one is. Oh, it's holiday packaging. Your gold, baby. Solid gold. ColourPop. Also, I'm sorry that this lighting is so bad. I always film in front of this lamp, but this is what it looks like. Oh, and by the way, I have a code for ColourPop. You can use code 5Katie to save, I think it's $5 off your purchase. I don't get paid for that. It's just a code to save you guys money, so definitely use that if you want to buy anything from there. We have a Good as Gold eyeshadow palette. That's pretty. It's so stunning. The packaging is really good. And then it's all very shimmery golden colors. Okay, what else? Ooh, we got eyelashes. I don't think I've ever seen ColourPop do lashes before, so these are fun. I love a good lash. I don't wear lashes very often, but when I do. So we have this one, which is called Minx. And we have this one called Dame. And this one is called Honey. I like all those a lot, actually. And who knows, maybe I'll use them. Metallic liquid liner. Ooh. If you guys don't know, I have a makeup Instagram called Makeup by Katie where I post like really fun eyeshadow looks. I don't post that often though. I try to post once a week at least, but I'm always doing really colorful stuff and I never have like colorful liners, so this is really fun. I'm definitely gonna be keeping this. This is a golden one, obviously. Since this is a gold collection, I would expect that they would be gold. This is just like a darker bronzier and another gold. I have 2 of these, so I think these are like lip kits. Ooh. That is a dark vampy red, like really dark. That's a prettier color. That's like a pinky plum. So this collection's really pretty. Thank you, ColourPop, for sending me all of this. I realized that I bought this advent calendar for Vlogmas and I forgot to open day 1. If you don't know what advent calendar is, they have a bunch of different kinds, but normally it's just a calendar with one day every single day up until Christmas, and you open it and there's a little treat inside. So I bought this Haribo one and I got it off of Amazon and it took literally a month to get here. It told me it was gonna get here December 9th, but it actually got here like November 28th, but I had ordered it a month before that. If you don't know, I'm currently filming this on December 1st, meaning I just posted my Vlogmas day 1, and that took me forever to edit, so please go watch it. I know that one isn't very Christmassy themed because it is the first day, but this one is, so go watch it. For Vlogmas day 1, I didn't actually vlog on Vlogmas day 1 because I showed the road trip to Texas, but today I'm actually vlogging. So we need to open and eat the advent calendar for day 1. I opened it, but this is day 1 right here. So you just kind of pop it open and then there's a treat inside. Oh my goodness! It's a little heart. Oh, that's precious. It says Merry Christmas and it has the little guy. This is so fun. I think this advent calendar was like $20 maybe. This one is a success. I love it. We're gonna open one of these every single day in Vlogmas. That just got me in the Christmas spirit. It is now 5 o'clock and we are going to go get the Christmas tree from the Christmas tree farm. Like I said earlier, all the Christmas trees were too skinny or weren't tall enough for our ceilings because our ceilings are really tall, like really tall. Here's a little outfit of the day. I know I said it a few times, but Champion sweatshirt has like the gold reflecting, is from TJ Maxx, but I got it on Black Friday. And I'm just wearing these black and white like sweat shorts kind of material that are from Forever 21. And I'm gonna be putting on my Tommy Hilfiger slides. Time to go. It's so windy. If I had one. How big do we need it?
Whatever you and Mom pick.
Mom, how big? All right, we're at the tree farm now, and there's a lot more options. A lot are big and thick now, and not so skinny. Ooh, I like that one. Why are some like hairy? That's different. I've never seen one like that. Ooh, golden hour. Look, it's my home in the background. My pride and joy. Chick-fil-A. There's a lot of trees here, like a lot, but it's really pretty. I might take some pictures. Ooh, that one's fun, and it's big. The baby ones are so cute. I'm taller than this one too.
I just like the height. Like that feels like a good value.
Tall tree, kind of thick, not too skinny. Also, it's so windy out. Look at this.
We're gonna have to put a lot of ornaments. I'm freezing. Just saying. And you're right. It's windy.
That is too small, Dad. You're taller than that.
Yeah, no way.
I personally think that's the one. We're home from getting the tree, obviously, and we're not gonna decorate it tonight because it's already 7, it's 6:45. We got home from Texas at 3 o'clock in the morning this morning, so everyone's just tired. Also, we have to go back to school tomorrow. Why is my camera not focusing? I swear I broke it or something. But I'm gonna go eat pizza rolls. That's what we're having for dinner. Why is this not, whoa, sorry. My brain just like didn't work for a second. I'm gonna go eat some pizza rolls now. My brain's just not working. Hi guys, so it is actually December 2nd right now and I'm in school. All the vlogging that you saw for the rest of this video was done yesterday on Sunday when we went and got the tree and everything. But I'm at school now and I figured I was gonna vlog a little bit just to make this more interesting and longer. So I'm about to go out to Kohl's lunch right now. Hi guys!
Let me turn around.
I haven't used this camera in so long. So I'm at Kohl's lunch right now, and if you don't know, I feel like I need to explain this every single time. I have the lunch after Kohl, but I eat it in the film room, and when I'm not doing anything, during this period for the morning show, my film class, then I come out here and eat lunch with them. All of them are in Bella's car because it is freezing outside.
Super boyfriend came back and did 2 somersaults out of the trunk and then ran back like a freaking Ninja Turtle or whatever.
43 degrees! So we're gonna eat lunch now and
so it's just me and Katie out here like penguins.
I should put my hood on.
Now we're out here doing Vlogmas Day 2. I will see this on Katie's Vlogmas channel today. Can you have my lunch?
Yes.
Sure. Okay, that means bite my wrist.
That's lunch. I saw someone wearing this sweatshirt today.
Really?
This exact one. I almost cried.
Yeah, you get so pissed when people wear your stuff.
I'm not getting pissed. It's just like if I see someone wearing the same thing as me on the same day, and I was literally walking right next to her. I was like, so I sped up and walked like 4 people in front of her.
We both accidentally wore Champion.
Accidentally?
Yep. You can have a cookie. If you don't like it, well, I don't like it. Why are you huffing and puffing?
Can I take some of the meats out?
Sure.
Oh yeah, should I do a giveaway in this vlog or make it later and then like vlog? Eat your sandwich. I took all the meat off.
Katie doesn't like meat if you don't know.
Look, I got the bag.
It's these kinds of things where she just laughs at her own jokes and I just kind of sit here and then she just thinks it's even more funny that I'm just sitting here. Funny one, Katie.
You're supposed to laugh. Thanks for joining Katie and Cole lunch.
Bye guys. Cole out.
Katie out. So I'm home from school, obviously. I only vlogged a tiny bit at school, which was Cole and I eating lunch together. I knew that if I only vlogged at school, I wasn't gonna have enough content for the vlog because that just never happens. I'm busy at school doing things. But yeah, thanks for tuning into Vlogmas Day 2 with us. The last thing that we're gonna do in this vlog is get our advent calendars. And I know I talked about this and I opened day 1 yesterday because yesterday was December 1st. Today is December 2nd, so we need to go open another hole and get some gummies. I'm just gonna leave you guys right here. This is where my advent calendar is set up. The 1 hole is done. We need to go to the 2nd hole. Where is it? 2 is all the way up in this corner right here. Oh, it's blue. It says Winterland. That's so precious. There are only 23 days left until Christmas. 2 days in our advent calendar is gone. While I'm eating these gummies, let's do an outro. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you enjoyed Vlogmas Day 2, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see me do for Vlogmas this year. If you want to see me build like a gingerbread house or go see Christmas lights, let me know. Don't forget to follow all my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and my TikTok to stay updated on Vlogmas and me. Thanks for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace in the Middle East.